Exercise 6B loni section number 1, first problem, first bit. Find the set of values of x for which 2 plus 3x to the power of minus 2 by 3 is valid. 2 plus 3x to the power of minus 2 by 3 విస్తరణ చెల్లుబాటు అయ్యేటటువంటి x విలువల సమితిని కనుక్కోండి. So given problem is 2 plus 3x to the power of minus 2 by 3. దీన్ని మనం ఎలా రాసుకోవచ్చు? 2ని మనం బయటికి తీసినట్లయితే అది పవర్ తో పాటు వస్తుంది కాబట్టి 2 to the power of minus 2 by 3 into 1 plus 3x by 2 to the power of minus 2 by 3. సో ఇక్కడ ఈ పవర్ ఏదైతే ఉందో ఇట్ ఈస్ ఏ రేషనల్ నంబర్, ఒక అకరణీయ సంఖ్య. ఎప్పుడైతే 1 plus x to the power of n విలువ మనకి అకరణీయ సంఖ్య లేదా రేషనల్ నెంబర్ ఉంటుందో then it will be an infinite series, and we just now have seen that the infinite series is valid when the modulus of x is less than 1. ఎప్పుడైతే ఈ x యొక్క పరమమూల్యము 1 కన్నా తక్కువగా ఉంటుందో అప్పుడే ఈ సిరీస్ వ్యాలిడ్ అవుతుంది కాబట్టి వ్యవస్థితం అవుతుంది కాబట్టి సో ది సిరీస్ ఈస్ వ్యాలిడ్ ఆర్ 1 plus 3x by 2 to the power of minus 2 by 3 is valid when mod 3x by 2 is less than 1. ఇందులోంచి మనం x విలువలని కనుక్కోవాలి. So keeping mod x here and taking the numbers to right side, we will get mod x is less than 2 by 3, which means the x value lies in between minus 2 by 3 and plus 2 by 3. So we can write this as minus 2 by 3 less than x less than 2 by 3, or I can say that x belongs to open interval minus 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3. So whenever x belongs to this open interval minus 2 by 3 comma 2 by 3, the series is valid. Next question is, find the sixth term of 1 plus x by 2 to the power of minus 5. 1 plus x by 2 to the power of minus 5 విస్తరణలోని 6వ పదాన్ని కనుక్కోండి. So our given problem is 1 plus x by 2 to the power of minus 5. So comparing this with 1 plus x to the power of minus 5 minus n. So comparing this with 1 plus x to the power of minus n, we get n is equal to, what is n? N value is 5 and x value is x by 2. So what we have to find is the sixth term in this series, in this expansion. So to find sixth term, we must know what is the general term. సాధారణ పదము tr plus 1 ఏంటో తెలిస్తే we can find the sixth term. So general term tr plus 1 in 1 plus x to the power of minus n is equal to, so 1 plus x to the power of minus n ఫార్మాట్ మీరు ఆల్రెడీ ఫార్ములాస్ అన్ని ఒక చోట రాసుకున్నట్లయితే మీరు ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ చేసేటప్పుడు చాలా ఈజీ అవుతుంది. సో ఇక్కడ 1 plus x to the power of minus n ఎక్కడ ఉంది? ఇందులో ఉన్నటువంటి జనరల్ టర్మ్ tr plus 1 వాల్యూ. సో we have to use this formula to find the tr plus 1, that is the sixth term in the given expansion. So the tr plus 1 in 1 plus x to the power of minus n is minus 1 to the power of r into n plus r minus 1 cr into x to the power of r. So what we need to find is the sixth term. So t6 ni మనం కనుక్కోవాలి. అంటే t r plus 1, r వాల్యూ ఎంత పెడితే t6 వస్తుంది? r వాల్యూ 5 పెట్టినట్లయితే మనకి t6 వస్తుంది కాబట్టి, so r value is 5 now. Substituting all these values in this formula, we will get minus 1 to the power of r. r means 5 into n value is 5, so 5 plus r 5 minus 1 c r means 5 into x value is x by 2 to the power of r again 5. So simplification, minus 1 to the power of 5 is minus 1, and here 5 plus 5 10 minus 1 is 9 c 5 into x to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5. But what is 9c5? 9c5 value is 9 factorial by 9 minus 5 factorial into 5 factorial. So which is nothing but 9 factorial can be written as 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 factorial by 9 minus 5 is 4 factorial. This can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 factorial. I am writing as it is so that I can cancel these two 5 factorials, and 3 goes in this 2 times, 2 and 2 will get cancelled, 4 goes in this 2 times. So what are the remaining terms here? 9 into 2 into 7. So just I am writing here the values so that minus 1 into 9c5 is 9 into 2 into 7 into x to the power of 5 by 2 to the power of 5. So I can cancel this 2 in this. So the remaining terms are minus 7 nines are 63 by 2 to the power of 1 get cancelled here. So I will be remaining with 4 2's into x to the power of 5. Or the sixth term in the given expansion is given by minus 63 by 2 power 4 is how much? 16 into x to the power of 5. So this is the required sixth term in the given expansion. Now we will do one more problem from the of the same problem. So here, section number 1, second problem, fourth bit. Find the fifth term of 7 plus 8y by 3 to the power of 7 by 4. 7 plus 8y by 3 to the power of 7 by 4 విస్తరణలోని 5వ పదాన్ని కనుక్కుందాం. So what is the given problem here? 7 plus 8y by 3 to the power of 7 by 4, which can be written as taking 7 outside, it will come with the power 7 by 4. So 1 plus 8y by 3 by 7 to the power of 7 by 4. So which is nothing but 7 to the power of 7 by 4 into 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4. Now comparing 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4 with, so ఇది ఏ ఫార్మాట్ లో ఉంది, 1 plus x to the power of p by q, 1 plus x to the power of p by q format లో ఉంది. So comparing this with 1 plus x to the power of p by q, we get p is equal to, what is p? 7. Q is nothing but 4. And what is x? X is nothing but 8y by 21. So to find the fifth term, we must know the general term of this series, of this expansion. So general term, సాధారణ పదము tr plus 1 is equal to, చూడండి 1 plus x to the power of p by q యొక్క general term, 1 plus x to the power of p by q. This is the general term of this expansion. So writing tr plus 1 is equal to p into p minus q into p minus 2q, so on up to p minus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q to the power of r. సో ఇక్కడ మనకు కనుక్కోవాల్సింది ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ అంటే T5 కనుక్కోవాలి. సో T5 ఎలా వస్తుంది మనకి, TR plus 1, R వాల్యూ ఎంత పెట్టాలి, R వాల్యూ 4 పెడితే then I will get T5. So R value is 4. So substituting all the values in this formula, we will get, what is P? 7. So 7 into 7 minus Q value is 4 into 7 minus 2 into again Q value is 4. సో అలా ఎంతవరకు రాసుకోవాలి చూద్దాం. సో కింద r ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్ అని ఉంది, r అంటే ఇక్కడ 4 కాబట్టి 4 ఫ్యాక్టోరియల్, మరి న్యూమరేటర్ లో p మైనస్ r మైనస్ 1 వరకు రాసుకోవాలి. సో r మైనస్ 1, r వాల్యూ 4 కాబట్టి 4 మైనస్ 1 అంటే 3 వచ్చేంత వరకు రాసుకోవాలి. విచ్ మీన్స్ హియర్ 7 మైనస్, చూడండి 7 మైనస్ p మైనస్ q, p మైనస్ 2q, నెక్స్ట్ టర్మ్ p మైనస్ 3q. సో p వాల్యూ 7, నెక్స్ట్ 3 ఇంటూ q వాల్యూ ఇస్ 4. సో ఇక్కడ చూడండి r మైనస్ 1 కదా ఇది. సో ఆ విధంగా మనకి r మైనస్ 1 టర్మ్ వచ్చేంత వరకు మనము పైన న్యూమరేటర్ లో రాసుకోవాలి. సో 7 మైనస్ 3 ఇంటూ 4 ఇంటూ x by q. What is x? X is 8y by 21 by q value. Q value is 4 to the power of again r. What is r? R value is 4. So this is nothing but 7 into 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay. Into again 7 minus 8, which means minus 1 into 7 minus again 3 4s are 12. 7 minus 12 is minus 5. So I am writing minus 5 here by 4 factorial into, here I can write 8y by 4 can be cancelled in here. So I will get 2y. So 2y by 21 to the power of 4. Okay. So this can be again written as 7 into 3 into 5 by 4 factorial can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, and 2 can be kept outside. So it will be 2 power 4 into, I can write y by 21 to the power of 4. And so that I can cancel this 3 and one more 2. The next step we will do that. So this is the T5 value in the expansion of 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4, which is nothing but here 7 5s are 35 by, here I can write 2 as 2 cube into, one more 2 is there, into 2 power 4 into y by 21 to the power of 4. So I can cancel these 2 power 3 into, this 4 can be written as 2 square. Okay, so this is 2 square, 2 square into 2, so total 2 power 3. So 2 power 3, if I cancel here, one more 2 will be there. So that 2 into 35 is 70 into y by 21 to the power of 4. So this is the T5. Idi 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4 లో ఉన్నటువంటి T5 విలువ. కానీ మనకు కావాల్సింది ఎందులో? ఇందులో. So therefore T5 in 7 plus 8y by 3 to the power of 7 by 4 can be written as T5 in, the same thing can be written as like this. So 7 to the power of 7 by 4 into 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4. So this is nothing but, I am writing this before. So 7 to the power of 7 by 4 into T5 term in the expansion of 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4. Just now we have found this T5 value, which is nothing but, I am taking this as equation 1. So this is equal to 7 to the power of 7 by 4 into the T5 value in 1 plus 8y by 21 to the power of 7 by 4 is, from the equation number 1, I can write it as 70 into y by 21 to the power of 4. So how I got, since by using the first equation. So ఒకటవ సమీకరణం నుండి మనము ఈ T5 విలువని ఇందులో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేసినట్లయితే మనకి టోటల్, మనకి గివెన్ ఇచ్చినటువంటి విస్తరణలోని ఫిఫ్త్ టర్మ్ ని మనం కనుక్కోవచ్చు. One more question from the exercise. Fourth question, first bit. Find the general term r plus 1th term in the expansion of 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 by 2. 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 by 2 విస్తరణలోని సాధారణ పదము లేదా r plus 1వ పదాన్ని కనుక్కోండి. So the given problem is 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 by 2. So this can be written as, taking 4 outside, the power will come to it. So 1 plus 5x by 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2. Now comparing this, 1 plus 5x by 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2 with, చూడండి ఇది ఏ ఫార్మేట్ లో ఉంది, 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q ఫార్మేట్ లో ఉంది. So comparing this with 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q, we get p value as, what is p? P is equal to 3, q is equal to 2, and x value is 5x by 4. Now what we have to find is the general term. So general term, సాధారణ పదము tr plus 1 in 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q is given by, చూడండి మనం రాసుకున్న ఫార్ములాస్ లో ఏ ఫార్మాట్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, 1 plus x to the power of minus p by q is of this formula. Using this, we can write the general term, which is given by minus 1 to the power of r into p plus q into p plus 2q, so on up to p plus r minus 1 into q by r factorial into x by q to the power of r. So substituting all these values, we will get general term in 1 plus 5x by 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2 is equal to minus 1 to the power of r into p value is 3 into p plus q, that is 3 plus 2 into 3 plus 2 into 2, so on up to p. Again, what is p value? It is 3. So 3 plus, we don't know r, so r minus 1 into q value is again 2 by r factorial into, what is x? X is nothing but 5x by 4 by q value is 2 to the power of r. So this is the general term in 1 plus 5x by 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2. So on simplifying, minus 1 to the power of r into, we can write this as 3 into 3 plus 2 is 5, 2 to the 4, 4 plus 3 is 7 into, so on, 3 plus, multiplying with 2, we will get 2r minus 2 by r factorial into 5x by 4 comes down, so I will get 8 to the power of r. So this is the general term in this. So what is the general term of in the given problem, that is 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 by 2 is, we have to multiply this term with 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2. So the general term in 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 by 2 is nothing but 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2 into minus 1 to the power of r into 3 into 5 into 7, so on up to, here see, 2r, 3 minus 2 is 1, so plus 1 by r factorial into, I can write this as 5x to the power of r by 8 to the power of r is equal to minus 1 to the power of r into 3 into 5 into 7, so on up to 2r plus 1 by r factorial into 5x to the power of r by 8 to the power of r into this 4 to the power of minus 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 4 to the power of 3 by 2. Now I can write 4 as 2 square. So minus 1 to the power of r into 3 into 5 into 7, so on up to 2r plus 1 by r factorial into 5x to the power of r by 8 to the power of r into 1 by 2 square. I can write 4 as 2 square to the power of 3 by 2. I can cancel these two. 2 cube, which is nothing but 8. And here also 8. Bases are same. So you can add the powers. So you will get minus 1 to the power of r into 3 into 5 into 7, so on up to 2r plus 1 by r factorial into 5x to the power of r by 8 to the power of r. Here also 1 8, so plus 1. So this is the required general term or tr plus 1 in the given problem 4 plus 5x to the power of minus 3 by 2.